what we all do. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 websites where you can download free stock videos for free, 100% free. I repeat, no credit card details needed for these top 5 websites that I'm going to be looking in the video of today. So sit tight and get ready. Coming up next on IQcodec, top 5 websites to download free stock videos. Number 5, videvo.net. Videvo.net is a free stock footage website that allows you to browse through millions of free stock videos. And a particular thing I love about this website is that if you go to the search bar, you see that we have motion graphic, we have music, and we have sound effect. But talk less, this motion graphic is not the MOGT that we used to know, but they are just videos that are illustrated in the motion graphic manner. For example, you can see our list of heart, we have space, we have the earth. So what I really love about this is that if you check here, we have the music section. If you come to the music section, you're able to see free stock music that you can use for your YouTube videos. So yes, you can have free stock music here so you can see we have a free tag here. If you enter in this is what you're going to get. You see it's royalty free and used in all your project and media. So for example, if you want to use it on your YouTube video, what you're going to do is that you just need to mention them in the video description. But please note, where you see this sign doesn't mean it's paid, but when you see free, it's free. So there's a difference between free. If you see this sign, means that it is a paid song, but if you see the free, means that the sound is actually 100% free for your usage. So that is all about this website. And there's another thing I love here is sound effect. You can go to the sound effect. We have rain sound effect. You can see it is tag free. I've gunshot, which is tag free. So this is a pretty amazing website for you to download free stock content, to create amazing content for your YouTube, social media posts, and all the like. At the 4th position, we have Pixabay. So Pixabay is actually one of the best. I wouldn't say it is the first in our list, but I think it is among the best. So Pixabay is a free stock video platform that allows you to browse through millions of stock images. You can also have stock images, we have illustration, that is a plus compared to the Fit website you had. And we have, so in this illustration you can see a variety of them, so they're pretty cool. And you can even create and discover more. If you browse, you have vectors. On vectors, you are going to see things like images representing stuff. So you can see these are pretty good things you can use. So if you want to create a presentation, depending on what you want to create, we have videos, music, and we have sound effects. So in addition to this, what was different between this and the Fit website, we have that here, the illustration. Like, it's very easy, and we still have the sound effect panel with cool sound effect that you can use. You can see we have the spaceship. So that pretty cool sound effect on Pixabay. I myself have an account on Pixabay. If you check at my right, you see this is my account that I'm using on Pixabay, because I usually use it to download my free stock content. To download an image on Pixabay, you must not actually have an account. You can just come to the selected video of your choice and select the free download and choose the resolution of the image you are wishing to download. So you must not have an account in order to download on Pixabay. And I remember it is 100% free, and you can see we are free for commercial use and no attribute required. So you don't need to actually mention them in the description of your video, but I would love you to just drop a comment in order to support the person that is actually releasing the content, because it's not actually easy. On the 3rd position of our list is VidDizzy. Most of you will be asking that why is VidDizzy the 3rd? Because of the pro icons you are seeing here. It has a lot of filters, so you can get in VidDizzy without nothing in mind and just create something just by using their filters. So if you go on the browse by category or browse by newest, so this is what VidDizzy has on top of the 2 websites we are just from looking ago. So if I come on browse by category, let me say I just entered on the website and I have nothing in mind, but just with this panel I can create an idea. For example, I see After Effects, I want to create something After Effects. The first thing I will look is that, let me search for some element. So searching an element, you can see this is very good. So you can see the way the filters are pretty arranged. So you can choose these filters: stock video, After Effects, license type, standard, pro, additional use only. So the filters are pretty dope with VidDizzy and makes it very easy to navigate. So we have trailers, you can see coming soon, this week, coming soon. So there are a lot of things you can use on VidDizzy. Thanks for watching, just by using the filters they're proposing on their website. So VidDizzy is good because it is very easy to navigate due to it the filters that has been integrated in the website. Okay, in the second position of this website we have Pexel. So Pexel is a free stock platform that allows you to browse through a million, I repeat, a million of free stock images, free stock videos, so all we can ever think of about free content. And it's actually owned by Canva. I don't know if you know Canva. Canva is a platform that allows you to graphically design your thumbnails, anything about posters, Instagram. So Canva is the owner of Pexel. So Pexel is one of the top when it comes to stock videos because of this wide range of cool images, cool videos. So everything about Pexel is cool, so that's why I love them. And you can have videos on any platform. You can have landscape and have portrait videos, and the videos are actually very cool, running at a very good frame rate. And videos here are 100% free. There's nothing like entering your credit card details to confirm a video. So for example, here's a video. If you come to free download, you can see they choose the size, choose the dimension, and once it's done you click on the download. It's going to start, and you can also scroll under. You can see similar videos from the same creator, Quantum Bro. So Pexel comes at the second position of our list. Okay, we are at the first website, so Tambo. The first video on this classification is Mixkit. Okay, so Mixkit is the first website we have classified in our top 5 website where you can download free stock videos. So it's actually the best. I repeat, the best. So let us dive in Mixkit. Let me tell you what is actually good about it and why it is at the first position of this list. So if you come to Mixkit, this is the first thing you're going to recognize. We have stock video, we have stock music, we have sound effect, and we have video templates. So I won't start by this because all the 4 websites I've just looking have all these. So what I'm interested is at the video template. So if you come on video template, look at what you're going to see. We have Premiere Pro template. If you click on it, you can see, so you are presented a variety of Premiere Pro templates that are actually 100% free. So they come in a WinRAR file. You just need to download and extract. Let me prove to you that it's in a WinRAR file. It's not a video, it is a WinRAR. So you can see it is in a WinRAR. You download and edit it at your own pace. So for example, this video, you can see how cool it is. You can use it to create your intro. So you go to the lower third, you can see these are very cool lower third. I've even downloaded some of them. You can go to the titles. You can see these are some of them. You can go to YouTube. We have some end screen. We have YouTube channel. So this is the best of the best. I repeat, the best of the best, just because of this feature that it has. You could go to template. You will have Premiere Pro template. We have After Effects template. We have Final Cut. We have DaVinci Resolve template. And for the sound effect, it also has sound effect, just like the other website we reviewed a later ago. So After Effects template, I repeat, they are in a WinRAR archive, so you can download, edit them at your own design that you love. So you can see it is 100% free, anything. So you can see it is smartphone promo. Maybe you can use it for a project and download and edit it at your own pace. You click on download. Remember, you don't need an account on this website to download its content. You just need to click on the download and wait. So you can see it's 100 megabytes. After download, you open your After Effects and edit it. So that is what I love about this Mixkit. We have come to the end of our video, so let me know in the comment section what was the best website you actually love, and please, if you actually think we made a mistake, please do a classification in our comment section telling us which should be the first and which should be the last. And if you have an idea for our next video, please just comment it out. We're going to watch it next. So thanks for watching. I am IQcodec. See you in my next video tutorial. Ciao.